So you lose your ball out to the right pretty badly and you think it's lost. So you correctly announce and play a provisional ball, which of course you smoke right down the gut. You're able to find your first ball within 3 minutes, but it's in horrendous shape. So what would you do? Play it as it lies, take an unplayable, or declare it lost and play the provisional? If you chose C, we have a problem because declaring a ball lost is not a thing. You can never, under any circumstance, declare a ball lost, and we know this because it says so right here. A ball only becomes lost when you or your caddy start searching for it and can't find it within 3 minutes. So in this case, these are your two options. I'm taking an unplayable.